Hey guys, you're Florida Parks After Dark. We are here at All-Star Music. Now, All-Star Music is one of the 3 All-Star resorts, sports, music, and movies. Now, real quick, thing we just noticed. These palm trees, they're new. You'd say, George, why do they put palm trees in front of the place? And I'd say, let me tell you. When people come zipping in here, Uber and Lyft and the big buses, they get real close to that sidewalk. Those big pods are to stop from getting on the sidewalk and hitting somebody. That's why. But now we're in the lobby. So this is the music lobby. It is obviously music. So you have the music notes here on the front desk. You have Donald playing away and Daisy and Minnie and Mickey. And there's even Pluto and Goofy all doing the music. But this is their theme. So now one thing to know is that in the All-Star area, there's 1 gate, 3 resorts. Stay at 1, get access to all 3. They're all obviously themed based on sports, music, and movies. And they're all physical-wise, the buildings are all the same. Theming obviously is different. You all have this back wall, which is really the theme of what it is. So obviously this is the orchestra. Mickey's conducting, the music's playing. It's great. And then there's Maestro Mickey's. Now Maestro Mickey's is their merchandise store. And I will tell you personally, the merchandise in the value resorts are really good. This is actually a new Spirit jersey. At least for me. Long sleeve, not super heavy. You just have one of everything. You have all the parks represented, the Teacups, Small World, Millennium Falcon's in there. Toy Story guys, Dumbos. Really neat. So there's that. But now look, I want to show you that they did do. Sorry, I got distracted there. They have a new series. It is this one. So what they do have is obviously all the dressing. And this is make every day count. And then they have the candies, and then they have the figures, and then they have this piece of yummy goodness. Mickey Mouse milk chocolate bar, Rice Krispies, pretzel bits, mini marshmallows, and sprinkles. Oh my goodness. How much does that cost? It's free. It doesn't say the price, but man, that just looks fantastic. So it's a new series they have, and it's just about snacks and going out and having fun, and that's that piece of it. So they obviously do series to celebrate different things. This continues to be the 2026 merchandise. Now, it's June. So the fact they still got some of this up, okay. Now my guess is over some point you'll start seeing this all disappear and go out towards the outlets, but they have a lot of it here, actually more than others. They did just renovate these spaces and they put in these little lockers, and we love these. So this is Maestro Mickey's locker. It has the music papers all spread out. Wish Upon a Star is music that's up on this stand. His coat and his bow tie and all the instruments. Love it. Now, it is also 4th of July, so we're getting into that. So it is kind of a neat store. Now, I'll show you the other locker they have in here real quick, as I got carried away talking about the store. They have his dressing room. So it's Minnie's dressing room, or actually Mickey's dressing room. And it is just really cool. So that's the merchandise store. Now there's a lot of merchandise in here. I spent some time focusing on 1 or 2 things, but it's definitely worth coming in and taking a look. We've always been very impressed with the kind of merch and the amount of merch that's here. So that's the merchandise store. Always up here in the front corner, right near the door going out to the lobby for all the All-Star resorts. You come down and you make that right out of the lobby. You kind of come down. There's always the one. It's the standard. They have the Star Wall. That's opposite the theme mural wall. And at the end of the Star Wall, before you go outside, is always the arcade. Now, the arcades and the All-Stars are some of the best in all of Disney. I'm telling you, the value resorts here are next level. So they have a ton of good games, a lot of riding games, gigantic Space Invaders and Pac-Man. They even have the circus games and the clowns and the basketball, and the skee ball, and yes, it's loud. That makes it half the fun. So So overall, this is just really, I mean, if you were to go into, let's say, the Grand Floridian arcade, it is not this big, but that's a deluxe. I love the fact that the values have such a good arcade. Notable Games is the name of this one, but going straight across is the Intermission Food Court. Intermission Food Court is obviously their food court. Now the other thing about Value Resorts is the food is killer. Now, everybody just came back from the park. Everybody's getting the last minute snacks. So we're gonna pick a spot not in the way. You come in first, you have your desserts. And then you have create your own meals with all the now that mojo chicken is outstanding. Had it a ton of times. They got shrimp, they got salmon. This is just good stuff. And then you go down a little farther, and then you have the grill with the hamburgers and the hot dogs and the sandwiches. And then next to that you have the Italian with the pizza and the meatball subs and the pastas. I'll tell you honestly, really have always been impressed with the food here. And then the seating down here just goes all the way back. There's a lot of seating. It's a big resort. Now, you come straight out the doors here, which we're gonna. This is right next to there. You come out. Now you come out, and this is music. So first thing you're gonna see is the maracas. Here's an Calypso section. Calypso section has that really cool pool. The amigos are out there just in the water. And so this is it now. From here you got Calypso. Behind that you see jazz. They also have a rock and roll section and a country western section that are on either side. It is just a great little resort. Now let me show you a map of this thing before we go back in. Because it's what I talked about, it being stay at one, get to see all three. First, here's the map of this section. So the pool here in the front is a guitar shape, and that's right there. In the back, there's a piano pool, and then you have the country western straight at the top, rock and roll to the right, and then you have Broadway, sorry, to the left, then jazz, and then Calypso, all in that area. But if you were to come down here, this is all three of the resorts. You're dead in the middle, and then you're connecting all through the Rhine Trail, and you have access to all three. So it's really just a very cool piece.
What?
So now we're gonna shoot back in the lobby. So like with all Value Resorts, the central areas, your food, your check-in, your merchandise, and your arcade. And then outside it becomes the themed areas that surround 4 or 5 of those different areas. And there's parking near each one, which makes it a little easier, but it is really done incredibly well. So listen, it's a very quick once-over of this resort. If you pop on our channel, what you'll notice that we've done a very thorough walkthrough on a few of these. And you have a chance to see each of the lands and really what they have to offer. With that being said, guys, it's George Florida Parks After Dark. Listen, do me a favor, like and subscribe. We are over 10,000, trying to get to 11. You helped us. But also give us comments. We love your comments. We love hearing what you have to say. And that being said, guys, you have a fantastic night, and you guys take care.